Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to hide a talk from your profile on the Stereo Let's Talk application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, then tap on this account button down below in the right side corner of the screen. Tap on the talks subcategory in the middle of the screen, and here you should select the relevant talk that you would like to hide from your profile and tap on the more button in the upper right corner of this box and click on hide this talk down below, so it will be hidden from your profile. As you tap on the more button again, you can see that there is another opportunity or another feature that you can select, making it public again. So tap on the make public button and then it will be made available to the public again. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.